Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm right here in the biggest mall in my town, and today guys I'm gonna find roti. Gonna try it. I've been craving it for a long time, and we're gonna fulfill our dream to eat roti. And you know what, roti guys is the most popular in Asia, and gonna try it. So here we go. This is it. The try. Oh, so hot. This is roti. Looks like. Oh, come on. Delicious. Probably. Let's try this. Come on, it's so hot. And we have garlic cheese sauce. Oh my god. That's it. Tastes different. This is my first time. Fresh from the oven. Hot. Come on. Speechless. So if you're gonna find it here guys, you can simply find roti and Patmang restaurant, just located right there. It's in downtown Cagayan de Oro. Oh come on, gonna love it. Wow. Can feel you relax, delicious. This is what I'm expecting guys. Wow, I'm so speechless right here. So I invite you guys to try this roti, and thank you for watching. This is roti. Bye bye, see you next time.